Casero, director general de la VueltaCV Feminas. Ahí está, mirad. Ahí tenemos el paso de las correas por la línea de meta. Con esa primera posición. De la VueltaCV Feminas, ahí está apareciendo la lucha por la victoria. Yo escucho los aplausos del público para animar también a nuestras cordonas en ese sprint final. Vamos a la lucha para el equipo nacional, el equipo belga que se lleva la victoria.
How's been the race for you and for the team?
Pretty good. I had a good feeling from the start, and I think the team worked perfectly. I asked them to be in front the last 2-3 k to keep me safe, and they did it perfectly. And it's really good for the confidence, because in 2.5 weeks it's the Track World Championships. So it's good to take the victory here. I saw the prize money in the book, and it's a lot. It's good for women's cycling to become equal as men, and it's nice. So thanks.